Fresh grass in trough 1, feed in 2. Let's move. Good bulls, clean up. Next pen, keep the pace.
Inserting the thermometer now, holding him steady. Palpating the hump feels normal. Ear clear, no discharge. Noting the weight and temp, body score.
Body score is 3.5.
Humidity's at 45%. Keep it steady.
Got it. Loading the last hide. Temp is climbing. That's good.
The hides are immersed in chemical solutions, beginning the transformation. Next, the hides enter the tanning drum, where rotation preserves surface quality and durability. Meanwhile, premium hides move into large soaking tanks inside the leather processing department, advanced treatment systems operating continuously.
Starting batch 2, this one feels good.
Okay, passing it over. This one's ready for cutting.
Good, keep the flow going.
Stitching is even, no flaws on the leather surface.
Teeth alignment is perfect under magnification. Surface is smooth, no imperfections. This piece passes.
Transport vehicles arrive at the state-of-the-art factory, carrying legally sourced gray Brahman cattle. The white horns and prepared hides are processed as sustainable and high-quality supply chain.
This one's thick enough, but the length is just short. The color on this tit's a bit off. Okay, this one meets all the criteria. Initiate trim on the large horn section. Cut complete. Monitor the next feed.
Horn material enters the drying chambers, where moisture levels are carefully controlled to maintain durability and natural appearance. Batches are organized by accessory type. Now, selecting pieces for final assembly.
Quality is checked at each step.
Dimensions are spot on. Texture consistency is 97%.
This one passes quality.
Agreed, this batch is good. Let's log it.
comb's teeth are perfectly aligned, no imperfections. The hinges on these frames are seamless, excellent material. The pen's weight and balance are perfect, a luxury item. The jewelry's gemstones are flawless, exceptional clarity.
Handle these with care. They're premium. Understood. This comb is flawless. Good. Place it in the center slot. Perfect. Seal the box. Ready for the Mex?
The threading is precise. Yes, a perfect fit. Securing the nib now. Assembly complete. An elegant instrument.
Let's check this horn piece against the export specs.
I'll run the digital scan now. Leather dimensions are perfect. It passes.
Excellent. These meet our premium standards.